YouTube just launched some big massive updates, and if you're a small content creator on YouTube, this could be your breakthrough. From faster monetization to no longer going to the post office to get your Adsense pin, and also auto dubbing your videos into different languages in order for you to reach new and a wider audience. Let me break each of those features down to you in this video so that you can actually understand them very well. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm just going to share 4 massive big updates that YouTube actually brought to you in this video. So you just need to stick around, and trust me, it's going to help you to monetize your channel faster, more than you can ever imagine. Number 1 is faster monetization. You no longer need to wait until you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you could apply for the YouTube partner program. Yes, this new YouTube monetization, you can monetize your channel below 1,000 subscribers and below 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, and that is, you can start your first monetization with just 500 subscribers. Yeah, those 500 subscribers, you don't also need 4,000 watch hours to monetize. With 3,000 watch hours, you can actually set your channel to monetization while you still keep on posting, while you still keep on earning money, until when you grow up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then you can now reapply for your monetization. But you have 2 options to get monetized. You just need, the first criteria is 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. The second one is 500 subscribers and 3 million YouTube shorts. So it's left for you to know the one you actually want to use for your monetization. Number 2 update that YouTube actually brought is you seeing your subscribers on YouTube. Yeah, you've heard me right. When I saw this update on YouTube, I was very, very excited about this on YouTube, because I get that before YouTube actually brought this kind of update, maybe a lot of content creators on YouTube might have complained to them that they've not been seeing their subscribers, so they don't know who subscribed to their channel. And trust me, this update, it's only you that is going to see it, and no other person is going to see this update on your own YouTube channel. You are the only one that was seen. And this update is actually good, especially for those that are doing subscribe to my channel, and I'm also going to subscribe to your channel. That's subscription for subscription, right? So if you're a kind of person that is doing this, in fact, this new YouTube update has actually helped a whole lot of us, because sometimes persons subscribe to your channel and they went ahead and unsubscribe. But with this new YouTube update, you could be able to track those people that subscribed, those people that have not subscribed, those people that subscribed and also unsubscribed. Yeah, you could be able to track them in this YouTube update. And for you to be able to do that, you also need to make your subscription to be public, because if your subscription are private or it's private, someone is not going to see you as per se you are subscribed to their channel. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. For instance, if I'm doing sub for sub with you and you subscribe to my channel, and I went to my channel and see you as one of my subscribers, and I also told you that I've subscribed to my channel, and you went there, you did not see me. Do you know why you did not see me? You did not see me because I set my subscription to private. The reason why you are seeing me, because the reason why I'm seeing you is because yours is set to public. So let me show you how you can actually set your subscription to public, so that whenever someone subscribes to your channel and you also subscribe to their channel, they will be able to see you as per one of their subscribers, right? So I'm still going to use this my channel, because don't need of switching account, see the same method. So you come here, click on view channel. So after clicking on that, you see this pencil icon right here. You click on this pencil icon and you see something like privacy. Keep all my subscription public, private. As it stands now, my subscription are public. But if I click to turn it on, that means my subscription are private, of which I don't want my subscription to be private. I will just turn it off in order for it to remain in public. So the number 3 feature that YouTube actually brought that is very, very amazing is that you no longer need to go to post office. God, like, this one is just the sweetest thing ever. No need of going to post office and be waiting, going there for months, for weeks, in order for you to get your Google Adsense pin and verify your YouTube channel when you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. Can I receive a round of applause for that? This update is actually very, very huge and massive, because I've been seeing a lot of content creators in the past complaining of how frustrated they were, how they went to post office and they could not get their pin, although they did that. But now all of those stuff like that is not going to happen. you can actually verify, or you can actually get your access pin right in your house, like right in your phone mail. Yeah, with no stress, and you get to verify your YouTube channel. And if after 3 times you've tried verifying your Google Access pin and it failed, you can actually do it manually by uploading your ID card. And the last update that YouTube brought that is actually very massive for those that are monetized is called auto dubbing. This automatic dubbing is an AI feature that YouTube actually brought to their app that helps you to add voiceover and translate your videos from English to French, from English to Spanish, from English to any other countries or any other languages in the world. And it also helps you to reach new and wider audience. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be dropping a video on how you can get your 4,000 watch hours really quick. I'm going to drop that video next week, so do well to subscribe so you won't get missed out. And trust me, this one is the easiest method ever. It's not the usual method of getting your 4,000 watch hours that you know. This is very simple. It's not restream, it's not anything, but just stay tuned. Just stay tuned as I'm going to show you those. Bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video. I need to go to work this morning, right? This is 7:02, so we are done shooting. Tea time. I'm actually going to work, so bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video.